Hello guys, today I've got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix when your band is too tight of course, and it's marking your skin. Here I've got two links prepared, and here in the box you should get two extra links. Of course, in the box it's very difficult to open it. Now here in this section, this box called half size adjustment links. Here I've got two of them, and here I've got two of them. So yeah. So you need to prepare these two, and of course take this link remover from the box, because of course we need to open it, put them here, and then close it. So what to do? At first you need to divide your band into two parts using this clip. Here I've got the first part and here I've got the second part. Let's start with this one. You need to turn it upside down and take a look at this side. Here, as you can see, we've got holes. We need to put one here, this remover, for the distance of 1 or 2 millimeters, so that, as you can see, we have it out. We have it jump out. Let me show you that it's out. It is here. Now we need to remove the second one by doing the same thing. 1 or 2 millimeters. And now we've got it done also. Now we've got it opened. So here, take one link and put it right here. So what you need to do now at first is to put this the first part of the string inside, like it needs to be aligned inside. Here, now once it is inside, the second part, this one which is out, you need to align this part with the hole right here, like that. Now you need to take this remover and of course put it like that, so that it will, wait a moment, it will touch the spring and put it back down. Once you do this, you need to, of course, put this link, try to put this link, of course, to the hole. I mean, it should be done automatically once you hold it with your fingers. Now, as you can see, we've got it steady and done. So we can, of course, now put this back again with the same move. We've got one link extra, and now we need to put this back again. So the same, put the first part of the spring inside the hole and the second part above, and now you need to put down the spring with the second part of the remover, and now we've got it jumped in almost. Now we've got it jumped in and it's looking good. So once you do this, you need to do the same to the second part, which is right here. You need to open this of course, this part of the band, like this, 1 or 2 millimeters till it jumps out. Now the second part right here, 1 or 2 millimeters to the hole, and now I've got it out. Here we need to add our link. It's very easy and very fast, actually. Don't worry. Wait a moment. It's upside down. I am really dumb. I'm sleepy, pardon me. I'm sleepy, and it will be fixed in a moment. Now we've got it in the correct way. Here, now we need to put this inside, and now we've got it jumped. It's great. So we need to connect these two parts back again, like, wait a moment, like this, Of course, it's a repetitive process, so don't worry. And now we've got it jumped in, and of course our band is now resized, and it won't leave the markings on our skin, and it won't be too tight. That's it. Bye.